Hey, welcome back to another Instagram tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn how to clear search history on Instagram. For that, all you have to do is go to Instagram, search for Instagram and get inside it. As you get inside Instagram, make sure to go for search engine. And in here, normally you search certain things. For example, you go to search. I have searched for tech products. So either you're gonna cut this one as a single or you can go back. And if you want to delete the whole history, search history, all you have to do is click on your logo and go to this three, and in here go to settings and scroll down. All you'll see an option called security. Click on security, and in here when you scroll down you can see the option in the last is called search history. Just click on search history and there's an option called clear all. If you want to single a particular history, you want to click on exit one, or if you want to delete them all, just click on clear all, and it will ask you for an option clear all and just click on it. And that way you are going to delete your whole Instagram history. If you want to confirm it, just check the search engine and you won't find any history. So if you think you want to keep your Instagram search clean and clear, so that's how you can do it. So if you find this video really helpful, please make sure to leave a comment below. We'll catch you in the video. Keep visiting Tides Schooling.